Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Hyundai Genesis. Drive luxury, drive 7 stars. This 4-door sedan has a 6-cylinder engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 151,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a car that stands out? Check out the 2011 Hyundai Genesis 3.8. With its sleek white exterior and luxurious tan leather interior, this car is a head-turner in excellent condition. Enjoy the convenience of power windows, locks, seats, and mirrors, along with air conditioning to keep you cool. The entertainment system includes AM/FM stereo, CD player, and MP3 capability, ensuring you're always connected. Safety features like anti-lock brakes, stability control, and front/side airbags provide peace of mind. Plus, it has a clean Carfax report. Don't miss out, test drive it today.